Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm Jonathan from my vegan permaculture world, and if you're watching this video today, it's either you have been attracted by the title or you're interested in veganism or permaculture. And precisely within permaculture there's this interesting principle which is observation. Sometimes I find myself sitting alone in my garden, just observing, not interacting. Observing insects, observing how the rain works on my land, observing the plants' growth, observing nature. And recently I started to apply the same principle on my surroundings and on the world more generally. And here's one observation I made during these past few days. The New World Order. Yes, to me it seems like the New World Order is increasingly being mentioned. Some say it's a conspiracy theory and others say it's true. Some talk about compulsory movement certificate, harmful vaccines, and others talk about 5G and microchips for humans. People are talking about all the weird measures taken by governments all around the world. Some say it is to keep us under control, and now we're starting to fear for our freedom, we're starting to fear oppression. All our moves will be supposedly controlled. Yet, isn't this a scenario that we see all the time? Except in this one we are not the prisoners. We have established a new world order for the animals for a long time. We cage them, we give them numbers, we deprive them of their freedom, and we dispose of them as we please. We find all kinds of excuses to perpetuate this oppression. We quote Darwin talking about the survival of the fittest. We find it normal that the fittest dominates, so why don't we accept being dominated? We talk about the cycle of life. Then maybe this new order is also part of the cycle. We compare ourselves to a lion who has no remorse in attacking a gazelle. Why should the authorities have remorse when they attack our freedom? When animals are oppressed, we are not the victims, so we don't feel the need to stop this oppression. But as soon as we are victims, we find it unfair. Perhaps for the first time we're starting to feel what animals have been feeling for way too long. A privilege is when a problem does not affect us, and now that our privilege is being taken away, we feel fear. So, is the New World Order real or not? I'll let you decide. But for the animals, it has been around for a long time. I'm not asking for likes, I'm not asking for comments, but if you think that this video deserves to be seen, please help me share it out. For the animals and ourselves. Peace.